In today's video, we will talk about the need to control obesity and being overweight through information about how to make proper food choices. This video reveals some specific types of food that help a person to lose weight. These food types also have medicinal properties that can help a Weight Watcher get rid of other ailments. These food groups also boost metabolism, which helps consume stored fat in the body, which, in the process, leads to weight loss. Shown below are some of the good food that should be part of a Weight Watcher's eating plan. 1. Beans. Beans contain cholecystokinin, a digestive hormone that acts as a natural appetite suppressant. Beans also keep blood sugar on an even keel and help stave off hunger longer. High-fiber bean varieties can even lower cholesterol levels. 2. Salad. Eating salad is highly recommended by the American Dietetic Association because the vegetable-based meal is rich in vitamin C, lycopene, folic acid, and carotenoids. However, it is best to cut down on the dressing when eating salad. Some salad dressings can actually be high in calories. 3. Eggs. Eaten in moderate amounts, eggs are good for the health since these contain protein that helps prevent spikes in blood sugar. Weight Watchers are often advised to eat only egg whites. 4. Green tea. This type of tea is an antioxidant and helps stimulate metabolism, which, in turn, burns fat. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins. 5. Soup. Having a little chicken soup is good for the body because it helps decrease hunger. Chicken soup is considered a folk remedy for colds and flu. 6. High-fiber kinds of cereal. Cereals that are high in fiber help improve digestion and are good for reducing hunger pangs. 7. Lean beef. Lean beef contains an amino acid called leucine, which helps provide energy, regulate blood sugar, and repair muscles. 8. Olive oil. Cooking food in olive oil is healthy because it contains monounsaturated fat, which is widely accepted as a product that helps prevent cardiovascular disease. 9. Nuts. Research released by Purdue University showed that adding about 500 calories of peanuts to their regular diet helped them eat less food that could cause weight gain. 10. Vinegar. Acetic acid found in vinegar slows the passage of food from the stomach into the small intestine, thereby causing satiety, a feeling of fullness in the stomach. Vinegar also helps improve blood glucose control, which is needed by diabetics. 11. Red hot pepper. A bowl of spicy chili can help a person lose weight due to an ingredient called capsaicin. This ingredient actually helps suppress appetite. Add it to your diet and witness its great benefit. Indeed, being in control of one's weight involves the simple act of choosing to eat good food. Having a regular exercise program and controlling the number of calories consumed each day will go a long way in helping a person lose weight. If you like this video, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.